Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Portable Grills is probably one of the most versatile and convenient pieces of outdoor cooking equipment available today, allowing you to enjoy delicious grilled meals wherever your adventures take you, from backyard barbecues and camping trips to tailgating at sporting events or even just a picnic in the park. These compact powerhouses are designed for ease of use, portability, and quick setup, making them an ideal choice for anyone who loves the flavor of grilled food but doesn't want the hassle of a large, stationary grill. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a beginner looking to expand your culinary horizons, a portable grill can open up a world of delicious possibilities, ensuring you never have to settle for less than perfectly cooked food, no matter where you are. Number 5. Royal Gourmet PD1301S 3-burner tabletop gas griddle. Take your cooking anywhere with this compact and easy-to-store tabletop griddle. Its sturdy feet provide stability, making it perfect for all your outdoor adventures and backyard gatherings. Enjoy ample cooking space with 304 square inches, enough to prepare up to 12 burgers at once. The 3.5 mm thick steel surface ensures heat is distributed evenly for perfect results every time. Experience powerful cooking with 3 independently controlled burners delivering a total of 25,500 BTU. It provides efficient and even heat across the entire cooking surface. Start cooking in seconds with the battery-free piezo ignition system. A simple push of a button is all it takes for quick and reliable startups, no matches required. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable grease cup that collects drippings. The detachable griddle top also makes post-cooking maintenance fast and simple. What we like. This griddle offers powerful, even heat with 3 independently controlled burners. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport. If you're looking for a high-performance portable option for camping or tailgating, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It is large enough to cook several items at once. The heat distribution is pretty good and everything is good, heavy-duty quality. This 24-inch, 3-burner tabletop model is the perfect size for me. It heats evenly, has plenty of cooking space, and is very easy to clean. This size is perfect for cooking up to 6 people. Assembly is easy. No rusting. Number 4. Chefman Electric Griddle 10 by 16 inch. Enjoy ample cooking space with this compact indoor grill. Its 9.8 by 15.7 inch surface fits easily into smaller kitchens. From warming to searing, achieve perfect results with adjustable temperature control. It ranges from 200 to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for everything from breakfast to meats. Prepare healthier meals thanks to the integrated drip tray that collects excess oil and grease. The non-stick surface also means less added cooking oil is needed. Cleaning up is a breeze. The cooktop is fully immersible and dishwasher safe after removing the temperature control. Quickly add extra cooking space to your kitchen. It's perfect for large family dinners or holiday gatherings. This appliance is UL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. It also comes with a 1-year assurance from Chefman. What we like. This electric griddle provides precise temperature control for versatile cooking. Its non-stick surface and fully immersible design make cleanup incredibly easy. If you need a convenient indoor option for quick breakfasts or small gatherings, this is perfect for you. What people say. Heats up quickly, cooks evenly, and the non-stick surface works really well. It's big enough to cook multiple items at once and very easy to clean. Huge cooking surface. The 10 by 20 inch surface is massive. I can fit 8 large pancakes or a full pound of bacon with room to spare. It's perfect for big family breakfasts or hosting brunch. Easy cleanup. Once you remove the temperature probe, the entire griddle is fully immersible and dishwasher safe. Precise temp control. The adjustable dial goes from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. It heats up remarkably fast, and I've found it holds a consistent temperature better than my stove burners ever did. Healthy features. The slide-out drip tray actually works. It catches the excess grease from bacon or burgers, keeping the food from sitting in oil. The griddle is large enough to make brunch for a family. Heats up fast. Very easy to clean. Cooks evenly and I love it. Number 3. Blackstone 1971 Original 17-inch Tabletop Griddle. Bring this portable cooking station on your next adventure. Its lightweight and carry-friendly design makes it perfect for camping, hunting, or tailgating. Enjoy a versatile cooking surface with 267 square inches of space. It's compact yet spacious enough to feed 2 to 4 people for any meal. This griddle is designed for ease of use with non-slip feet, simple push-and-turn ignition, and a low-maintenance stainless steel front plate. Experience consistent and even heating across the entire surface thanks to its powerful H-style gas burner, delivering 12,500 BTUs. Cleanup is a breeze with the patented rear grease management system. It makes dealing with grease and tidying up much simpler after cooking. What we like. This tabletop griddle is designed for ultimate portability and ease of use. It features a powerful burner for even heating and a patented grease management system. If you're a solo adventurer or cooking for a small group and value simple cleanup, this is the one to consider. What people say. During seasoning, the main area got to about 600 degrees, so it gets hot enough for any cooking use. After seasoning, it is non-stick and easy to clean while still hot using a scraper or heavy spatula and a squirt of water. The single burner is perfect size and weight. Both perform flawlessly. We cook breakfast and variety of dinners. Number 2. Royal Gourmet GD401C 4-burner gas grill and griddle combo. Introducing the Royal Gourmet GD401C, a versatile 4-burner propane gas grill and griddle combo. Perfect for all your outdoor cooking adventures, from camping trips to tailgating parties. Experience ultimate cooking flexibility with its unique combo design. It features 2 independent cooking zones, offering a generous 584 square inches of total cooking space across 4 powerful burners. With a robust 48,000 BTUs output, this unit ensures quick and even cooking for all your favorite foods. Get ready for delicious meals every time. Setting it up is a breeze, taking just about 15 minutes. Its fold-down legs and 4 locking casters make it incredibly easy to store and move around for any occasion. Enjoy hassle-free operation with its automatic ignition system for quick startups. Plus, cleanup is a snap thanks to the removable oil management system. Prepare your ingredients with ease on the 2 spacious side tables. The convenient lower bar keeps all your essential grilling tools within easy reach. What we like. This unit offers the best of both worlds with a gas grill and griddle combo, providing a massive cooking area. It's designed for quick assembly and easy transport with foldable legs and casters. If you need a versatile, high-capacity cooking solution for larger outdoor events, this combo grill and griddle is ideal. What people say. The assembly process was an absolute breeze. The instructions provided were clear, concise, and accompanied by helpful illustrations. Each part is meticulously engineered to fit together seamlessly, eliminating any frustration or guesswork during the assembly process. The 4 burners provided consistent heat distribution across the cooking surface, allowing me to achieve precise control over the temperature zones. Number 1. Royal Gourmet GD401 Propane Gas Grill and Griddle Combo. Introducing the Royal Gourmet GD401, a versatile 4-burner grill and griddle combo. It offers 2 individual cooking zones for ultimate flexibility in your outdoor cooking. Get started in a flash with its automatic ignition system. The stainless steel control panel features 4 large knobs for easy and precise heat management. Prepare your meals with ease on the 2 spacious side tables. When not in use, its fold-down legs and locking casters make storage and transport a breeze. Each of the 4 burners delivers 12,000 BTU, providing powerful and consistent heat. The generous cooking area ensures you can feed a crowd. Cleanup is a simple task thanks to the removable oil management system. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your cookout. With its durable black finish and thoughtful design, this combo is perfect for any outdoor gathering. Its robust construction ensures it's ready for adventure. What we like. This portable propane grill and griddle combo boasts 4 powerful burners and ample prep space with its side tables. It's built for convenience with folding legs and locking casters for easy mobility. If you're hosting cookouts and need a robust, versatile, and easy-to-move cooking station, this is an excellent option. What people say. The assembly process was an absolute breeze. The instructions provided were clear, concise, and accompanied by helpful illustrations. With minimal effort and basic tools, I had the grill fully assembled and ready to fire up within an hour. One of the standout features of this grill and griddle combo is its remarkable lightness in weight. Despite its robust construction, the Royal Gourmet GD401C manages to be surprisingly lightweight and portable. The compact design and manageable weight make it effortless to transport and set up. The 4 burners provided consistent heat distribution across the cooking surface, allowing me to achieve precise control over the temperature zones. From searing steaks to sautéing vegetables on a griddle, this versatile combo grill delivered mouth-watering results every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.